Hi Cedric and the TMU Electric group. This is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly give you a few tips here to help kind of optimize your GMB and what to do when you do get this website set up. So let's dive in here really quickly. And so I've got Double G Electric up here. Normally I would kind of review your website, but of course you don't have one, so we'll start with these guys. And so what you like about this is that their logo's right up here at the top, easy to see. They've got all of their pages here. They've got their contact number readily available up at the top. About these pages, it's great to have your services available on a whole bunch of different pages. Testimonials, gallery, a blog is wonderful. As far as the About Us for service areas, again, you want to have a separate page listed out and separate pages for all of your service areas too. And then the Contact Us, that's great. It looks like this image is having some issues loading, so you'd want to have something that's not going to do this. You want it to be easy when your clients click in here. It's just clean, it's crisp, it's simple, it scrolls well. That's really what we're looking for. So as we come down further, we can see that they've got, again, their services readily available up towards the top of their website. That's what you want. And then once a client finds whatever they're looking for, they click on it, it's going to direct them to that specific page with much more details about what's included in the service, how it works, what it's for, etc. Now as we come down, we've got some other services, it looks like, that they offer here. And then scrolling all the way down to the bottom, we've got their testimonials, their reviews from their clients. Those are really great to have up there. As we scroll through some of their blog stuff, and then down here at the bottom in the footer, we've got their contact information again, and then you always want to have your service areas listed down here in the bottom as well. That's always nice. Another one that we can look over really quick is this Call Electric. Same thing, they don't have their service areas listed, but they've got their name up here, their contact number, and these guys, it looks like they have a Twitter, so having different ways for your clients to connect with you is important too, and getting those listed on your site is so helpful as well. Now what Google really cares about is content, and what they want is 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this home page. And as we can see, these guys aren't anywhere close to that number. And so what Google's going to do with that content is it's going to send its crawlers through. It's going to read those organic keywords, those buyer intent keywords that your clients are typing in. For example, Electrician Marque. It's not found anywhere on this page. We can see if it's on this one too. And it's not found on this one either. So these are buyer intent keywords. This is a phrase that one of your clients is going to type into Google to try to find someone that can help them with their issues. And it's important to remember that people aren't Googling electricians for fun. And so when they're putting these in, they need an electrician. So you want to have this on your page. And you can do that simply by putting something up here at the top that just says, over a picture, you can just do TMU Electric or TMU Electrician Marque loves. Something like that. And then we want to get that same keyword among others kind of sprinkled in through that quality content of 1,500 words that we get built onto the home page, because Google sends its crawlers through, reads those, and then it matches you up with the clients that are typing that stuff in, and it starts to rank you higher in Google. Now the next thing that we're going to touch on really quickly is backlinks. So I put both of these guys into the tool that I use to check backlinks, which is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. There are plenty of other free tools out there. And so what we're going to briefly touch on here is this URDR. This is your trust rating with Google. This is your power rating with Google. As we can see, the trust rating has no data and the power rating is very low. So that lets us know that our backlinks, which is just a shout out from another website letting Google know that our website is relevant and trustworthy. It lets us know that these backlinks aren't as relevant or trustworthy as they should be for these specific, this specific electrician. And I also did Call Electric, and so as we can see, their trust rating is a bit higher, their power rating is a bit lower. They've got less backlinks, but again, that's just letting us know that these backlinks aren't as relevant as they should be. Not all backlinks are created equal, so if you've got a backlink coming from like Pizza Hut, it's not going to hold the same power for you because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. And so we want to make sure that we're getting relevant backlinks that are letting Google know we're trustworthy, we're relevant, we are here to help our clients. And so the other thing that you can look at within these guys is their keywords. So if Galveston is a place that you guys service, Galveston Electrician is being searched 80 times per month within Google. League City Electricians 100 times per month within Google. Electrician Galveston 100 times per month. Pearland Electricians 200 times per month. So you want to make sure you're getting these buyer intent keywords that your clients are searching for listed on your website in the areas that you're servicing. And this will boost your organic traffic. And so when we talk about organic traffic, we're talking about ranking right down here. And we want to be in this first, second, or third spot. And again, that's done by that content, those keywords, and those backlinks. Now, the last thing that we're going to talk about, which you guys obviously know just a little bit about with your GMB already, is this local map pack area. As we know, this gets the most amount of business generally from Google, because as soon as someone types in one of those keywords, they're going to click on whatever pops up first right up here. And how we get here is by creating our profile first, which you guys have already done, but you want to fill it out completely. So we want to get a website built and we want to get that listed. We want to get pictures from jobs that we've done and we want to get those put on here. We want to make sure that we're requesting a review from our clients every time and getting those listed on here as well. And then in addition, we want to make sure that we're getting our citation out there in as many directories as we can. And so a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number. And directories are just things like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. And so what I would do is just find all the directories these top competitors are listed in, get myself listed in those exact same ones, and then I'd go above and beyond. If they're in 150, I'd get myself in 200, maybe 250 directories, really blow them out of the water. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today. I hope that this was helpful, and I'm really looking forward to hearing your feedback on it. Thank you.